Hi guys, welcome to your first Pathophysiology Lab. We'll be doing hematological tests, specifically two tests, hematocrit and your blood transfusion reactions. Unfortunately, because we're having equipment failure issues, we cannot show you the hematocrit test right now, but we'll send you a link soon. But for now, we'll just show you blood transfusion reactions, and we'll start by showing you what material you need. And then we'll demonstrate blood typing, which you should know from Physiology 2. And then you'll basically have to determine the blood types yourself in order for you to be able to see or to complete the table in your lab manual. Okay.
So here are the materials that we are going to use. We have Petri dishes here. This is 0.9% saline, as you can see here, for diluting the blood. And then these are the 4 anti-sera. This is anti-A, anti-B, anti-AB, and anti-D for rhesus. These are the lancets that we are going to use, and the alcohol swabs. We start by sanitizing. And then we prick. We need a drop of blood in each quadrant. Then we add a drop of saline. So I add the anti-sera. I first added anti-A. This is anti-B. This is anti-AB. And lastly, anti-D. So after adding the anti-sera, you just swirl it around, make sure it's mixed properly, then you wait for the reactions. As you can see here, you can already see there's a reaction where the anti-D anti-sera was added. You can see the agglutination. The hemolysis is also starting to happen. As you can see, the clumping. You should be able to determine what blood group this person is, because there's no reaction in A or in B or in AB, but there's one in D. So you should know what this blood group is.
So now we'll be repeating the process with a different blood type. Hopefully. Just basically the same concept. You clean the finger, you stab or pierce the skin with a lancet, and you get some blood out of there. That's good. Push. Drop of saline again. Then we add our anti-sera. This anti-A, drop of anti-B, drop of anti-AB, and a drop of anti-D for a rhesus factor. Okay, so after mixing it thoroughly and making sure the anti-sera and the saline and the blood are all well mixed, we can see reactions happening in certain compartments, specifically B. There's agglutination happening there, as well as in AB, but nothing in A. Nothing in A, but there's also some sort of, you can actually see a little bit of agglutination happening in D as well. So the reactions in compartments B, A, B, and D. So we hope that you can determine this blood type for this person.
So you have 2 blood types here.
Okay, so ideally we would have had 4 different blood groups for you, or more than this actually, so for you to identify, but for now we'll just stick with these 2 blood types which we expect you to identify, and then you can suggest whether this blood group can be transfused into this blood group or vice versa.
In conclusion, you should think about your basic physiology when doing this exercise, like the antigens that are present and where they are present, the antibodies that are present in this, and also the implications of mismatched transfusion. Okay.